In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Windows 11 username. First, let's quickly clarify what we mean by username. On Windows 11, this is the name that appears on the sign-in screen and at the top of the Start menu. Changing it won't delete your files or apps, but it will update how your account name is displayed around the system. It's a simple change, but it can make your computer feel a lot more personal and organized, especially if you've inherited a device or used a generic name during setup. To get started, make sure you're signed in to the account you want to rename, and that this account has administrator rights. You'll also want to close any important apps, just in case Windows asks you to sign out or restart later. Now, move your mouse down to the taskbar and click on the Start button. Then open the Settings app. If you don't see it right away, you can simply start typing Settings after opening Start, and then select it from the search results. Once Settings is open, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the section related to Accounts. Go ahead and click that. In the main area, you'll see information about the account you're currently using. From here, depending on your setup, you may see options to manage your account details. If you're using a local account, look for the option that lets you edit or rename your account name. When you find it, click it to open the name editor. In the name fields, type the new username exactly how you want it to appear. Take a moment to double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing. This is what you'll see on the sign-in screen and across Windows, so make sure you're happy with it. When you're done, confirm your changes by clicking the button to save or apply. After that, Windows may ask you to sign out or restart your computer for the change to fully take effect. Go ahead and do that when you're ready. Once your PC restarts or you sign back in, you should see your new username on the login screen and inside the Start menu. If the change doesn't show up right away in every location, don't worry. Sometimes Windows takes a moment or an extra restart to update all the places where your name appears. And that's all you need to do to change your Windows 11 username.